You will love the features of this 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Grand Cherokee delivers rugged off-road capability, refined luxury, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and an iconic spirit of adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, heated mirrors, power liftgate, fog lamps. Rugged versatility meets high-tech luxury in the Grand Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.